Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about the latest update on BTTC. For those of you who have been mining BTTC, there are some certain things which you need to know concerning this platform before to know if you are to continue or you should stop mining. Okay? But before I proceed, guys, my name is Legit Boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel on how to make money online with your smartphone. So if you're an online hustler, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we release videos on money making updates. And once we think about this channel that I release money making updates every blessed day. So if you're an online hustler, then we got you covered. Then at the end of this video, I'm also going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section. So for those of you who are here to join my group, make sure to join. But if you have joined my group already, then no need. If you're in my WhatsApp group, no need of joining again. If you're in my Telegram group, no need of joining again. But if you are not in any of them, make sure to join. Okay, because that is where you can only get in touch with me at any time, and then we also share updates there every day. Okay, now what is the latest update on this platform known as BTTC? Okay, recently, for those of you who have been mining, you will discover that if you want to place withdrawal, you will see that the minimum withdrawal has changed, and again the mining rate has also changed. In fact, everything on this platform has changed. And then, to me, after the whole analysis I've carried out on this platform, I just discovered that they are wasting our time. And then I've decided that if we are mining, you register through me, you join through me, there is no need, because even if you mine this thing now from now till 1 month, you are not going to receive up to $1. So when I finish with my analysis, I discovered that this thing is just wasting of time. However, I cannot stop you, I cannot force you to stop you from mining, but you can actually choose to skip mining if you want. It is your choice, but I just want you guys to know the real truth. If it is before, when you mine on this platform, you are going to earn well. If you are in VIP 6, like now, my own account is currently in VIP 2, and I was in VIP 6 before. If you are in VIP 6, each mining session that ended, you should be earning $3. And if you are in VIP 3, VIP 1, VIP 4, as of then, you should earn $1 plus. But now they have downgraded all of us. What is this? What is this sign? This sign shows that the project are currently broke and they don't have money to pay us anymore. So that is the reason why I say that if you are mining now, you can actually withdraw, but the money you are withdrawing is not even up to a cent, up to 1 cent. So what is the point of you wasting time, wasting your time, wasting your energy, wasting your data, everything? So there is no need. That's the reason why I say no. As you all know me, Legit Boss, if something is going wrong, I'm always coming to voice out. And if something is going smoothly, I'm always coming to voice out. So that if we are to continue, I will let all of us know. If we are not to continue, I will let all of us know. As for me, I have ended my own journey from this platform. I am not longer mining. As you can see that I don't longer mine. Had it been a mining, we see this option here, it will be active mining. The reason I stopped mining is because they have changed everything on the platform. If you like, climb to VIP 7, now they will downgrade you to VIP 2 again, and they're now asking people to burn, and this burning of a thing may require you to deposit something, and I don't want it. I don't want anybody to deposit any share on this platform. Okay, so if you are not ready for business, they can pack their load and go. As for us, if you know you are a team of Sparky, aka Legit Boss, please and please, stay away, because me, I'm no longer doing it. They have changed. When a project is doing well, you will see all of us doing it, but when they change their pattern, we too will change it our own pattern. So that is the rule of the business. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you are mining, you can also confirm it, because before, the no minimum withdrawal before self, but now they have minimum withdrawal. And that time self, when you check in daily here, you will earn some USDT. And it's like they have removed the check-in daily. It used to be here, now it's no longer here again. Before, you will check in daily, you will earn. Now you can see this thing I'm saying, they have removed every single thing. So they have changed. So since they have changed, we also will also change now. That's it. And now this one self here, this USDT here, this one audio money, you go invite friends thinking that you are going to get paid. You will not get paid. So that's why I have also received a lot of questions in regards to this USDT here. So you are not going to get paid. All these things are things I consider and say no. Why are we wasting our time? If it is before, if you are able to reach VIP 6, you should be earning $3, which is equivalent to 4,000 plus daily. That's for each mining cycle that ended. That is the amount you will receive. But now they have changed everything. So what this shows is that they are broke. Okay, and since this platform is broke, we cannot come and be wasting our data that we are logging in daily to mine, or we are inviting friends. Instead, guys, instead of you to be wasting your data, time on energy on this thing, why not join MEC? Because MEC is the one that I am quite sure that they have been existing for over a year now and they are still doing well. No changes, nothing. So this is the one that I can recommend for everyone watching this video to join. But you see this one, my hands are off because me, I am not longer doing it and I will not do it again. But if perhaps they comes back and start paying normally the way they used to pay before, then I will also update you guys. Because the reason why I'm telling you to stay away is because it's wasting of time. But if they come back and like if they change to their normal pattern, that is when we will start again. And one thing about this thing is when you even message them to complain the issue you're having, they will not even reply you. If you talk somehow, they go even block you. You dey see this kind thing, abeg me I no fit continue. So that's why I say let me voice out, as we all know that if something is going wrong, me I go talk am. If something dey go bad, me sef I go also talk am. So that's why I'm telling you guys that me, Sparky, aka Legit Boss, I am not longer earning on this platform. Reason being that they have changed their pattern. Since they have changed their pattern, and we cannot continue with this one, because if we are to continue with this their current pattern now, is wasting of our time, our data, our energy, hoping for nothing that will not favor us. So that is the reason why I said we are going to stay away from this platform, guys. Thank you. But if you don't want to stay away, you can still continue mining. If you are okay with what you are getting, but you should bear it in mind that even if you mine it from now to 1 month, you are not going to get $1. So what is the essence of wasting time and energy? No need, I beg. So that's why I say no. Me, I have to quit. I have to leave it because where money no dey, me I know they go there. Now where money dey, I dey pull head. Before money dey here, but now money no dey here again. So now the reason why me I talk say no, myself I go back out to, I no get joy like this. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people don't know the current update on this platform. Please, this video will really go a long way to help people know the current update on this platform. You can help share this video so that people will know what is going on. Okay, so that people will stop wasting their time thinking that they're going to make a lot of money on this platform without knowing they are wasting their time. This video will really help by you sharing this video, and thank you for sharing this video. Like I said, our WhatsApp group link is in the comment section. If you have not joined any of my group before, you can join. But if you are in my Telegram group, no need. If you are in my other WhatsApp group, no need, because all the same. What I post in this one is what I post in this one. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss. Good. Thank you, and stay safe.